Hi there, and welcome to day 24 of our video series, Question Reframed. Today's question starts with, you're frustrated, you keep hearing write it down, document the process, and you think, why? It's faster if I just do it. The problem is that while it seems reasonable to say because you want to be productive, and you want to spend your time building whatever it is that your business is, and this slows you down. That's common, really. It's a common reaction that I get when I tell people, hey, you really need to write that down. And the reason I say that is I don't want you making the mistake of thinking that motion means progress and that you're building a system versus building a black box that only you have the key to and only you can do. What happens if you get sick? Or what happens if you want to scale and then you need to keep moving, but your employees don't have a path, or the challenge becomes that only you can do it? That is not a way to scale your business. So what I do when I start the evaluation process is maybe we'll start with looking at what thing moves the needle that you work on that needs the ability for someone else to do it because you need to focus on something else. Sometimes it feels faster, doesn't mean that it really is faster. It might be faster because you're used to doing it, but at some point you started at zero and didn't know how to do it. So when you hire an employee or a VA or you're looking for automation, if it's not written down, you're going to have to write it down at some point so that somebody else can do that role. The better question is to think about what breaks if I'm unavailable. Let's say that you want to take a vacation or you want to move on and do something else, but you still need to be able to do this task. Those are the steps that you should take to think about what things. Let's do it this way. Don't write anything. Just run through the simulation in your head. Picture yourself completely offline, no phone, no laptop, and then walk through a major client crisis. Walk through a system outage, or the internet is giving problems, or you're trying to get your team paid and there is no way to do that. What steps need to be taken? And if you can't visualize that in your head, you've found the break. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know.